3 people convicted after a weeks-long human trafficking trial case right here at the San Luis Obispo County Courthouse have learned their fate. I'm Dylan Foreman, your community reporter in San Luis Obispo, where I was in the courtroom as those sentences were handed down.
Heather Hunt, Tremaine Jones, and Joshua Murphy avoided decades behind bars or potential life terms during sentencing Wednesday. All facing 15 years to life, Murphy was given 14 years and 4 months. He was convicted by a jury in July of 5 counts, including human trafficking, pimping of a minor, sex with a minor, and child pornography. Jones received 16 years for human trafficking of a minor and pimping of a minor. Hunt received the lightest sentence of only 8 years. Judge Timothy Cavello described his sentencing decision as one of the hardest the court has ever had to make. The 3 were arrested in Pismo Beach 4 years ago for trafficking a 15-year-old from Nevada. Outside the courtroom, Hunt's attorney told me, quote, "This is justice," when referring to how long his client would serve.
This trial outcome was really a tremendous victory for all 3 defendants.
Deputy District Attorney Kim Dietrich argued the victim's testimony along with digital evidence and the jury's findings were enough to give all 3 stronger sentences. However, when referring to Hunt, Judge Cavello said he took into consideration her past as someone who was trafficked, abused, and previously pimped out.
It does have some discretion, and while this is not the sentence that we asked for, we respect the court. We respect the court's decision.
Murphy and Hunt will have the opportunity to serve only half their sentence, while Jones, due to a prior felony conviction, will have to serve at least 80% of his sentence. Meanwhile, District Attorney Dan Dow made sure to recognize the victim.
Say that our hearts go out to this young woman, this survivor of human trafficking. She's an extraordinary young woman. We're very pleased that we were able to hold her traffickers accountable, send all 3 of them to state prison where they belong for now.
A restitution hearing for all 3 is scheduled for January 14th. In San Luis Obispo, Dylan Foreman, KSBY News.